Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got an unboxing, which I'm pretty excited about. This is from a company called Snow Peak. You've seen a couple of their items on my channel before. Let's take a look and see what they sent me. I think this has to do with some kind of favorite drink of mine. We'll see. Oh yeah, let me spin this around. Ah, yeah, it's a bit of a Barista set, which is kind of cool for camp. It looks like the first thing is this titanium single wall mug. This is a $4.50. Let's take that out. And we'll get a couple of these things out of the boxes so you can see everything. And we'll just kind of set these out, get this box out of the way. Okay, so let's see what all we've got here. Turn that around. We've got the Field Barista kettle, the Field Barista dripper, stainless steel vacuum bottle for milk, and a Field Barista grinder, along with the mug that I mentioned. And then a pair of these hot lips, which are pretty cool. You just stick it on the mug so you don't burn your mouth with the hot water. So this is a nice coffee making set for when you're out camping in the wilderness. This kettle is great. You don't want to use this on an induction cooktop, but you can use it, at home on a, gas stove or whatever. So let's open that up first. Check it out. All of these items were sent to me by Snow Peak to do a review on the channel here. So this is kind of a first look and unboxing, but we'll do a full review and show it to you in the outdoors when we start using these items. Nice little bag to put the kettle in. Love that. Yeah, first glance, this is very, very well made. You can see the inside there. Nothing fancy, right? But the quality of this is extremely good. I can tell already. So, okay, so there's our coffee pot for water. And let's take a look at the Field Barista dripper. We'll open this guy up. Kind of cool. They have a little storage bag for all their products with some instructions on how to use it. If you can read Japanese, you're set. I'll probably have to call the rep and find out how to use all this stuff before the review, but let's just pull this out. I'm not going to go ahead and assemble this fully just because I don't know how to use it yet, but during the review we'll do that. So for now, we'll just lay that out. Again, the titanium single wall mug. So you'd obviously assemble this, put it on your mug, do your pour over like that with your ground coffee. These hot lips, let's just take one of them out and see how these go on. So these are kind of a silicone, I think, and they just go right onto the mug here, I think. Let's see. Oh yeah. They just kind of flip over and sit on the mug like that. Pretty cool idea, actually. I've never seen that before. So pretty excited to give that a try. Let's take a look at the grinder. See what this is all about. Again, another bag. And when we do the full review, we'll show you how to use all of these products as well. Wow, this is cool. Extremely well made. You can see the grinder in there. I'm not sure if you can adjust the grinder size. Yeah, looks like you can right here with this. So you can go a little bit more loose for a coarser grind, and then tighten it down for a finer grind. That's really cool. Put your beans in here, your coffee beans, and then put this on the top. Right, and grind your beans. Pretty cool. All their handles and everything are, very well made as well. So I'm looking forward to using that and seeing how durable it is outside. And then of course you got to have your milk if you're going to make a latte or a cortado or anything like that. So we'll pull that out. Wow, cool colors. I just really like how well made these products are. I'm blown away by the quality of these. Wow, some of the best quality I've ever seen in a double wall type of flask like this. So that's perfect for your milk. Yeah, so we've got the whole set here. If you see something that you have a question about, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer that for you. I'll also do a full review of these products in use out in the backcountry. We've got a trip coming up, so we'll get this out there and do a video for that. And you can ask some additional questions in that video as well if I don't answer it. But one way that you can help out the channel is hit that subscribe button down below. Really appreciate you supporting the channel. And hit that like button too if you found this valuable. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.